Welcome to your own yoga flow. Sit up straight, keeping the spine tall. Bring your hands by your side and soften your gaze. Create a sense of curiosity to connect with the natural inflow and outflow of your breath. Find a dedication to connect to your practice. Let's begin. Exhale, bring your chin to your chest. Rotate the head towards the right. Slowly release, bring your chin to your chest, rotate towards the left. Release, chin to chest. Right. Chin to chest, left. Chin to chest, hold the pose. Press the right hand against the head towards the shoulder. Release, chin to chest, and rotate to the left. Left hand, press the head towards the shoulder. Release. Let's play on a twist. Right hand on top of left knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine, twist. Lengthen. Exhale, come back to center. Twist to the opposite side. Keep lengthening the spine. Find your edge. Exhale, come back to center. Reverse cat-cow. Hands on your knees. Inhale, coil in. Exhale, straight back. Inhale, coil in. Look who came to visit. Straight back. One more time. Bring your right hand on the floor and lift the left arm to the sky. Opposite side. Find this flow. Pressing one hand on the floor and the other one towards the ceiling. Opposite side. And come back to center. Lift the left arm. Center. Right. Come back to center. And breathe. Hands in front of you. And rest on top of your legs. Keep lengthening the spine. Keep feeling the sensations. Come to your hands and knees. Stretch the left leg behind and pulsate. Keep going. That's right. Go. One more time. Lift the leg, flex the knee, and pulsate towards the ceiling. Don't collapse the shoulders. Keep looking forward. Straight the leg and cross it over to the opposite side. Toes on the floor. Look over your right shoulder. One more breath. Bring the foot towards the center and place that foot between your hands. Hands on top of your knees and pulsate. Keep the hips square. Pulsate forward. Hold. Stretch the hands above your head. Breathe. Bring the hands behind your back, interlace them, and look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Bring those arms towards the ceiling. Breathe. Relax the neck and the face. One more inhale. And slowly relax the pose. Right hand inside the front foot. Lift the opposite arm towards the ceiling. Straight spine. Release. Straight the front leg. Straight back. Forward fold. Feel the sensations behind the front leg. Release them in each exhale. Press the front foot on the mat. Come to hands and knees. Straighten the right leg and pulsate a couple of times. Lift that foot towards the ceiling and pulsate. Breathe. Release the foot in front of your mat into a low lunge. Lift those arms towards the sky. Inhale. Breathe. Exhale. Release hands behind your back. Interlace them and look up. Mini back bend. Forward fold. Bring your hands towards the ceiling. Release the neck and any tension on your face. Release the hands. Place the left hand inside the right foot. Rotate the upper body, right arm shooting towards the ceiling. Breathe here. Release the pose. Straight the front leg, half split. Place that right foot behind your mat and come into a child's pose. Rock your hips from side to side. Breathe. Feel the aliveness in your body. Come to a sitting position to a cooling wave. Stretch your right leg in front of you, toes pointing up. Press the left foot against your right thigh. Inhale, lift those arms towards the ceiling. And exhale, straight back, coming forward, fold. Hands reaching out towards your foot or ankle. Round up your back. Stay here drinking the breath. Allow any sensations to sing their song. That's the way your body talks to you. One more deep inhale. And release the pose. Come back up. Change sides. Press the right foot against the left thigh. Inhale, arms rise up. Forward fold. Keep rounding up your back. Micro bend of your left knee. Breathe. Forward folds are very soothing to the nerve system. One more inhale. And let go of the pose. Come to seated. Press the soles of the feet against each other. Hold your feet and straight back, forward fold. Open the foot as if it was a book, allowing the knees to fall a little bit deeper. You may want to place a blanket or a block underneath those knees. Starting to release the pose, come back to seated. Bring the knees together and find your way onto your back. Bring your knees onto your chest and rock from side to side. Place your hands on top of your knees and feel the sensations on your back. Drop the knees towards the right and look to the left. Twist the upper body. Press the top knee towards the floor. Release the pose, knees towards the center, and let them drop to the opposite side. Keep rotating the upper body. Breathe. Come back to center. Bring your feet on the mat. Get ready for bridge pose. Lift your hips off the mat and swing them a little bit. Inhale, lift the hips all the way up. If you choose, interlace the hands underneath your back. Press the feet on the ground. Breathe. Inhale, lift the right leg off the mat. Release, opposite side. Keep those hips strong. Release. Release bridge pose. Lay those hips on the mat and lift both legs towards the ceiling on shoulder stand. You may want to stay here or place a block underneath your sacrum. Or lift those hips up to the ceiling. One straight line from toes to hips. Keep the neck smooth. Keep the breath flowing. Stay here or bring those feet behind your head. It's a very intense stretch for your hamstrings. Be gentle with yourself. Slowly start releasing the pose, bringing the feet towards the front of the mat with grace and control. Find happy baby. Hold your ankles or feet and rock your hips from side to side. Stay here for a breath or two. And release the pose. You may want to do one more pose or go straight to Savasana. Pause the video. Grab a pair of socks, sweater, a blanket. Release, let go. Enjoy the peace of yoga. Namaste to you.